power tools, I look for something compact, light, durable. I mean, when I first looked at it, just noticed how slim it was. You know, our bags are 30 to 35 pounds and we're wearing them all day. So the lighter, the better, and this is definitely significantly lighter. But it's very maneuverable, it's very sturdy, more compact, so I'd be able to get it in tighter spaces. It felt great. I mean, it felt like it could handle any job I have.
Weight is very important, working overhead, constantly having my hands in the air. After using the Makita, it's definitely a lot lighter than the tools I'm currently using. Same power, I could use it all day.
The compatibility from one battery charger to multiple tools is huge. If I can have one battery for my drill and my impact, it's less things that I have to carry. I can keep everything from my drill, my impact, my circular saw, a light, all on one battery. I don't have to get up, I don't have to stop and change batteries. The shorter the charge time, the more I can stay busy. I would totally recommend the subcompact to my electrician friends and people I know in other trades. It's less weight to carry all day, you get the power that you need, and it lasts.
Milwaukee M18 Fuel, a new breed of cordless tool. Up to 10 times longer motor life, 25% more power, and 50% more runtime. Milwaukee has combined the best-in-class power state brushless motor, RedLink Plus electronics, and red lithium battery system to create fuel. Built for the world's most demanding professional. Introducing a new breed of cordless drill, the M18 Fuel cordless half-inch hammer drill driver from Milwaukee. Driven by the exclusive Power State brushless motor, Milwaukee designed and built. Unmatched power and torque to handle the toughest applications. Power State outperforms leading competitors. Delivers up to 10 times longer motor life, maximum durability. The M18 Fuel Hammer Drill Driver contains RedLink Plus intelligence hardware and software, the most advanced system of cordless power tool electronics. Overload protection with total system communication between tool, battery, and charger. The M18 Fuel Hammer Drill Driver, energized by red lithium, the most durable battery pack on the market. Up to 50% more runtime than the competition. Over 5 times more recharges than leading competitors. Battery fuel gauge to monitor remaining charge and reduce downtime on the job. New multi-voltage charger that accepts both M12 and M18 batteries. Features include new contoured soft grip, ultimate comfort under prolonged use, all metal ratcheting locking chuck, maximum grip, bit retention, and durability. Powerful LED light, compatible with red lithium compact and XC battery packs, maximum versatility. The M18 Fuel cordless half-inch hammer drill driver. One of the new breed in cordless drills from Milwaukee.
A cordless drill is probably the most useful power tool any household could have. This Ryobi 1 Plus brushless drill driver is ideal for drilling in wood, metal, or plastic, as well as taking care of all your screw driving needs. Ryobi's brushless technology combines a frictionless brushless motor, intelligent electronics, and lithium plus battery technology to deliver more power and runtime in a smaller tool. A 13mm ratcheting keyless chuck makes it quick and easy to fit a wide selection of accessories and locks them in place so they won't work themselves loose. And with up to 40 Newton meters of torque, it has plenty of power to drill even large holes quickly. The variable speed trigger and 2-speed gearbox means you're always in control. This drill takes all the guesswork out of screw driving. E-torque control automatically drives screws flush before slowing to a pulse, allowing you to set screws exactly where you want them, eliminating the need for manual torque settings. And whenever the trigger is pulled, a handy LED lights up your work area. When combined with our 2.5 amp hour lithium plus battery, you can drive up to 800 4x32mm screws per charge. If you're new to the One Plus system, you can pick this drill up as a starter kit with batteries and a charger. Otherwise, this drill is also sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your One Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the One Plus system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this super versatile 18-volt drill will work with any One Plus battery.